Hey guys, it is the 5th of December. And I have this, it's a little no name, oh, there, not a no name, toolbox. Sorry. What is this? 30 millimeter, 35, 30 millimeter. Yeah. Let's see if we can open it. Also, I found this little thing yesterday. Someone wanted to throw it out, so nope, I'll take it. Alright, let's try this toolbox thing. Let's see if we can get that on the tree. Yeah, okay. Okay. It's open. Yeah, I'll take it, but I just kind of want to try that again. There we go. It was like I just barely got in here, and then it was just a bit of jiggling with the wrench here, and then it opened. So I just want to get all of these hairs out of the way and try this again. There. Okay. Yeah, fine. Did not expect that it would be hard to open, but I didn't expect it to be this easy. But we'll take it. Okay, on the tree. Let's just put it right there. That's the first 5. We are well underway. Alright, so another quick little one. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.